This miracle food naturally regulates the feeling of hunger, helps control weight, diabetes, and cholesterol. But that's not all. Soy Okara is a soy pulp, the insoluble residue of soybeans or soya beans that remains in the press after crushing the soybean seeds to extract the milk. 1 tablespoon of Okara powder or dry Okara equals 4 tablespoons of store-bought moist or wet Okara. This powder, extracted from organically grown soybeans, is packed with protein and fiber, which helps you feel fuller for longer and promotes bowel regularity. Soy protein is the only plant-based protein that is a high-quality complete protein. Soy protein can be compared to animal proteins such as meat, fish, or eggs. Soy proteins contain all 9 essential amino acids that must be supplied to the body because the human body is incapable of synthesizing them, making them, if you will. This organic soy Okara is rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids, omega-3 and omega-6. On the other hand, it is low in saturated fatty acids and salt. It contains monounsaturated fatty acids, omega-9, 30 grams of protein and 45 grams of fiber, but almost 0 carbohydrates. If you follow the Dukan diet, you can take 2 to 3 tablespoons of Okara per day. From the attack phase of the classic method, or from the first days of the nutritional staircase method, to lose weight. Dukan Okara provides texture, consistency, flavor, but more importantly, a true treasure trove of fiber and protein that revolutionizes baking. Okara replaces white flour, rich in fast carbohydrates in your recipes, and can even replace eggs as well as dairy products. A revolution for healthy and slimming cooking and baking. Okara can also be eaten on its own, mixed with yogurt or konjac to add a light nutty flavor. Isoflavones are commonly found in soybeans and soy products such as Okara. Isoflavones are also called phytoestrogens or plant estrogens because they have a chemical structure similar to that of the female hormone estrogen. Soy isoflavones reduce the unpleasant consequences of menopause. Soy isoflavones also reduce the formation of plaques in the arteries to maintain good cardiovascular health. Soy isoflavones have been shown to have a protective effect against breast cancer and prostate cancer. Aging remains the main risk factor for prostate cancer. Soy isoflavones help keep healthy, useful-looking skin. The isoflavones contained in soybeans may also inhibit bone deterioration and calcium loss. For all these reasons, soy pulp is a miracle food. Soy Okara is suitable for both diabetics and people with gluten intolerance. Okara is ideal for vegans, athletes, fitness enthusiasts, or those who simply want to stay young and healthy.